it's time to learn and grow. With Daniel Present, here we go. Reading words and stories, bright fifth grade minds, let's take flight. Literacy's our daily quest. With Daniel, we'll do our best.
Welcome to Unit 1, Lessons 6 through 10 on the week of February 3rd. This week, students will be engaging in closely reading and listening and finding evidence in text. They will be engaging in a lot of deep conversations and taking a plethora of notes on their findings. We do have some new anchor charts you can see here on the screen. All of these anchor charts are going to support the students throughout the module. There are so many vocabulary words from the text, from writing, that I went ahead and linked the content word cards. And as you can see, we have a plethora of standards, and they really are just working all together. They're not really isolated. Sometimes we summarize. It's going to start with a summary from a text read aloud, and then they're going to continue that summary. Now that you have data from the mid-unit assessment, you can start to kind of differentiate who needs what in these areas. But it's really getting to this explanation of the relationships in a historical text, leading to an even bigger depth of knowledge when writing informative pieces. Some lessons of note. So in lesson 6, there is a priority pause. And in lessons 8 and 9, it was asked that we go ahead and just link the close reading guides just for ease of access in these lessons. As we look at all block this week, we do have one flex day on the from lesson 9. But you can see we're finishing up our last day of that additional work with complex text. Last week we talked about students owning their language style. So now you can kind of see it in action in a safe small group setting. You really want them working with that syntax of what makes a sentence complex, and you should start to see it transfer in their writing. Speaking of writing, we start writing practice. Here they're going to be looking at paragraph work. So you can really see the depth of comprehension that is happening as students are working in their work. Word study and vocabulary, we're working with that suffix abl, able, and what it does to the meaning of a word. Those are the main points for this week. Happy teaching.
Tune in, it's time to learn and grow. With Daniel Present, here we go. Reading words and stories, bright fifth grade minds, let's take flight.